Hello, good evening, team. Thank you so much for joining me. So, Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Tuesday morning. What we're gonna be discussing what's gonna be happening today on the market. This is what we do at Mr. Full Profit. We do a quick review on the market, and we need to pay attention to what's going on. Again, what we're gonna be talking about is Tesla. Okay, and we're gonna check out the ETF as well to see exactly why the market is behaving the way it's behaving. Okay, it's pretty clear. This is Tesla team. Okay, we in a zone and Tesla, as you guys can see. I know every day people love asking those questions, but I said that a few weeks back. If you take time to go look at my videos, we are in a zone. We need to either go up, which I believe Tesla will be going sideways for at least a week, and maybe a week. When is that? 23rd, which is tomorrow. They have earnings. Okay, so we have to pay attention in which direction it's gonna go, but it's gonna be critical. It's gonna be volatile. So let's pay attention because they need to come out with guidance and revenue. Okay. So now this is the daily chart under our Schwab Think or Swim platform. Let's check out the QQQ. QQQ is one of the best pattern right now with a lower high, lower high, lower high. Now we have an issue here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and consolidate that one too and make that a resistant on that. And this is a zone that we need to break up. We have 500. 500 is the 499.4. Let me see. I'll say about 498 is a top that we need to break above. Okay, and once we break it, the next one is going to be 505. The top resistance is going to be about 504. I'll say about 503. I'm sorry, about 503. Okay, 503.52 is the next. Once we break it, we need a upside and a bounce back and keep running. But right now we just going on a sideways situation. Okay, for QQQ. Now coin. Yesterday we were talking about coin. Team coin is it's on the bullish end. Right now we need for the MACD to stay above and make sure that it bounced back on the zero, that purple line between the green and red mountain, and staying above the moving average. Okay, so right now, remember we talked about 3 weeks out. You know, a month out will be better. The longer you have it, better. And when you're doing options, okay, option calls. So, but for stock, it's not an issue. You're just gonna have to keep buying a little bit more when it pull back, so you can look for the uptrend. It's a simple math, okay, on this one. Now let's look at breakdown Nvda. This is my beautiful pattern. This is exactly, team, what I was talking about when it comes to Nvda. Does that make sense? Let me go ahead and draw it white so you guys can see it. I love to, if you cannot draw, then that's when the problem comes. Okay, if you look at this team, you see lower high, it consolidated, lower high, small, and it bounced into on the 50 moving average, and after that it ripped. Now guess what happened, team? Let's look at this point and this point. This is called a resistance level at 141. 141 right now is at 143.71. I have a strong feeling, and if you look at, this is the daily chart. If you look at the weekly chart, okay, look at this, beautiful. Look at the MACD, beautiful, team. There is no reason why you guys didn't take this position. This is clear. Everything is above my moving average, and guess what? It's called a breakout. So now it's gonna rip. Now, in order for us to see that, let's go ahead and look at CNBC and see what CNBC has to offer. Woo, the future is still down. That's kind of not good, not good, not good. Not good, not good. So the stock market might have a little issue today. As you guys know, General Motor is set to report earnings before the bell today. So GM. Okay, so let's pay attention to GM. Let's see what GM has to offer on the weekly. Okay, GM has a resistant level at 50 something. Okay, let's see what GM could do. It seems like they're on the upside, but again, we have to wait for the news to see. Before market open, they should be releasing their news. I'm gonna pay attention to GM. The only issue that I have with GM move kind of slow, team. So those kind of slow stock, I'll say to go ahead and play it with what do you call it, with regular stock, not options, unless you load up a lot and it gives a lot of time, like which could be 2 months, 2-3 months. Okay, so that's what we have here now. Again, let's see, investing.com. Let me go ahead and show you. Let's see, investing.com, economic calendar. Okay, let's look at earnings. Okay, we have GE. We have few today. Let's see. Today earnings. We have Verizon as well. Texas Instrument, TXN. We have 3M. October 22nd. 3M supposed to be coming out with some GM. Let's check out on 3M. 3M is usually a good stock. It's been doing good. But again, team, it doesn't matter. Right now it's earnings season. So it's above, so we have no idea what 3M, but it's above the 50, so it's healthy. So congratulations for the traders. We had a nice run from a low, which is what, almost 90%. 90%. It took about what, 200 days. Wow. So it's on an upside, but right now we're not sure exactly what could be happening. And let's see what else we have that's interesting under earnings. Nothing major. I think tomorrow you're gonna have what is it, Tesla? So that's gonna be exciting to see. So team, nothing major is happening right now. So let's just pay attention to Nvda. I'll say Nvda is gonna rip up, keep ripping up and stuff like that as well. Okay, so but me, I'm gonna keep attention to SPY and or QQQ. Okay, team. SPY is the ETFs. I mentioned it before. One minute chart. Let me go ahead and look at 1 minute chart right now. As you guys can see, it's doing a pullback, which is fine with me. It's beautiful. I love it. Let me go ahead in my time axis. Okay, right now it's doing a pullback, so we just gotta wait for a curve and see where the market goes. Okay, so right now everything is in an uptrend. So team, again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. I'm gonna go ahead and close the channel right now. Like and subscribe if you like the content, share with your friends, and we'll see you guys on later on. I have my Patreon channel open if you guys like to sign up, and once I see that momentum is going, I'll be giving more picks, my personal picks on a daily basis, and where I'll be getting in on SPY and QQQ on a daily basis, so that way you can make money as well. Okay, that's the key. I'm just giving the basic stock, but the real money is on the Patreon channel. That's where the money is going. All right, thank you so much, and have a good one. Thank you.